Okay, so it's a windy day today, and we thought it will be a good test for CPX and see if it can fly on windy days because it has a CCPM system. So we will turn up the idle up and see what happens. Come on, wind. Wind, where are you? Look, if the idle up is not on, it's very difficult to control it. Damn, it's getting real fast. I think I will start the idle up.
No.
The wind is just throwing it so bad. Look at that. It's behaving so damn strange. I think we should crash it today. Damn, look at the speed. It's not me doing this. Now I'm kind of worried about how to land this thing. That thing is not me doing. I don't know why it's just jerking down and up. How to land this goddamn CPX now? Okay, so it flew, but during the normal mode I have to keep the rudder all the way here, and during the idle up I have to keep the rudder here, having that the trim was here. So basically, if there is little wind, I think it's a good model to fly around, but in this wind we will certainly crash it. Now, shall we crash it?